Imagine waking up, ready for your day, only to find your Toyota won't start. A dead car battery overnight is a common, frustrating problem for many Toyota owners. Today, Code Mechanic uncovers the mystery behind why your Toyota battery keeps dying. Let's dive into the core issue: understanding battery drain and its hidden causes. First, what exactly is parasitic drain? It's when electrical components draw power. Even when your car is off, these components can slowly deplete your battery. Common culprits include aftermarket accessories like alarms or stereos. Dash cams, if not properly wired, can also be a significant power hog. Faulty interior lights or trunk lights that stay on are often overlooked. Malfunctioning relays or modules can also cause a continuous drain. And don't forget about short circuits, which can be tricky to diagnose. Beyond parasitic drain, other factors contribute to battery death. An old or weak battery is a primary suspect. Batteries have a limited lifespan. Signs of a failing battery include slow cranking or dimming lights. A faulty charging system is another major cause. Your alternator is key. If it's not working correctly, your battery won't recharge while you drive. Environmental factors also play a role. Extreme temperatures affect performance. Now, let's talk troubleshooting. What can you do to identify the problem? Start with a visual inspection. Check for corrosion on terminals. Ensure all connections are tight and look for any physical damage. A multimeter test is crucial for diagnosing parasitic draw. This helps you measure how much power is being used when the car is off. Checking individual fuses can help isolate the circuit causing the drain. Pull fuses one by one and watch the multimeter reading for a drop. If you're unsure or the problem persists, seek professional diagnosis. Mechanics have specialized tools to pinpoint elusive electrical issues. Prevention is always better than cure. Let's look at maintenance tips. Regular battery checks and cleaning of terminals are essential. Disconnect unused aftermarket accessories to prevent unnecessary drain. Driving regularly keeps your battery charged and healthy. Short trips might not fully recharge it, so consider longer drives. Proactively replacing old batteries before they fail saves you trouble. In summary, parasitic drains, old batteries, and faulty charging systems are key. Addressing these issues promptly is vital for your Toyota's reliability. Don't let a dead battery ruin your day. Take action and keep your Toyota running. Check your Toyota, share your experiences, and subscribe to